Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply boost FPS in Modern Warfare using NVIDIA GPU. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here and go to your NVIDIA control panel. Open it. And then you want to go here to manage 3D settings. Wait until it loads. Then you want to click on program settings. And now what you want to do, you want to select the program. So you just find Call of Duty. Give me a second. So I need to probably turn off the game now. So give me a second, I will just turn off the game. Okay, so let's go again. Right click, control panel. Manage 3D, program settings. If you can't find it, let's add it like this. Okay, Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Just add it there. And like that, this is how you find it. Or you can like browse the program if you can find it. But again, when you have it, now just go here to CUDA GPU and having that all, and then you're gonna see like the power management mode here, and on that you want to have prefer maximum performance. And when you're gonna do it on prefer maximum performance, it's going to work like so damn great. Also, what I recommend is definitely check on G4 Experience your driver for update, and that's pretty much it too. So this is what you need to do, and this is what I recommend you to do. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.